got some more cards in. Let's do an unboxing. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I got some cards in, and I'm gonna just do a little short unboxing here for you. Haven't done one of those in a while. I pre-cut this so I wouldn't be spending a lot of time, trying to fiddle with it. Sometimes sellers can package these boxes up to where you need a chainsaw to open it. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna just open this here, and I'm not sure what kind of cards these are. A little note here. This looks like maybe a packing list. Yeah, it's got the price on it. Thank you. That was nice. I always appreciate those little touches. Let's see here. Wrapped in wrapping paper. Like Christmas. Okay, that's interesting. Never seen this happen before. He's got it in the paper. Then he's got it between two pieces of foam. That's a pretty good way to protect it. Never thought of that. And here's the cards in a Ziploc bag. And it says Kansas and Missouri. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Let's see. It says this is a hospital in Concordia, Kansas. There's that. Then we've got it looks like a street scene. Old street scene. Looks like it's been colorized a little bit. There's that. And this looks like a courthouse. Those are always good sellers. Right there. And this is a milling company. Oh, got an old got an old car in the foreground. That's always nice. These are all older cards, probably around the turn of the century. Looks like a military. General Dwight D. Eisenhower. Okay. Yeah. Must have been his residence. Okay. And I don't know what this is exactly, but it's a street scene. Some people in it. Right there. This is a junior high school. This will be a good seller. High schools, any kind of colleges are always good sellers. This is a Scottish mansion. This one is dated 1914. Right there. This is an overhead aerial view of Wichita, Kansas. It's a linen card. Right there. This is a, let's see, residence. Must be a famous person, residence. Dated, not sure when it was dated, but it's turn of the century. Those are the kind of cards you want to go after. Those are ones that are going to command the higher dollar amounts. This looks like a post office. It's an old colorized version. Looks like 1913. Right there. And this is some form of building. I'm not sure exactly what, but again, early 1900s. And this looks like some kind of early troops, cavalry. Okay. Have to look at that more closely. And we've got 36th Street and Gillum Road in northern Kansas. You know, whenever this is dated 1912. right there. And let's see, Union Station. That looks like a train station. That'll be a good seller. 1911. You can see that. This is a church. Been selling more churches lately. I'm not sure why, but they seem to have grown in interest. Forest Park. This is a fountain in St. Louis, Missouri. This one is unposted. And let's see what we got here. Scenic view of Rockaway Beach in Missouri. If I can open it. There. It's very nice. This looks like a residence. Now this looks like chrome. Not sure. It says the Dalton Gang Hideout. Ooh, that's interesting. This was one of the hideouts of the Dalton Gang. And Goodland, Kansas, some horses. I think these were extras that they might have thrown in. Sometimes, sellers will throw in some extras because these are chromes, obviously. Okay, this one says, what does it say? Big Well, Greensburg, Kansas. Oops, I'm sorry. This is a portrait. Okay. And yeah, these are definitely chromes. So these are not turn of the century. Looks like some kind of a monument. And looks like an old house, Old Pony Express Station in Kansas. Okay. And the last one I've got to show you, another chrome. This is Main Street at Night, Junction City, Kansas. It's a chrome. Now, there's nothing wrong with chromes. Chromes are nice. I sell chromes all the time. But, most of these are turn of the century. Those are the ones you want to gravitate towards because, those are going to demand a higher dollar amount, especially amongst collectors. So I just thought I'd show you that short, unboxing. Like I said, it was about 25 cards. There's some definitely great sellers in that. And that's what I try to do. Lately, I've been going after smaller lots, more targeted lots, especially small cities and towns and street scenes and things like that, as well as transportation. Transportation is always a good seller. But those are some great cards. And that way, when you get a lot of like 25 cards, yeah, granted, you're going to go through them a lot faster when you're listing them. But the thing is, you can command a higher dollar for them, and you'll get your investment back. I'm not sure what I paid for these. I'm trying to think. I think I may have paid, I don't know, maybe $12 for this lot. And, on a lot like this, I'll get my money back in like 1 or 2 sales. If you buy these really huge lots, like 1,000 cards, it's going to take you a lot longer to recoup your investment because you obviously paid more for the cards. Sometimes I will pay up for cards because I know that the value of them I can get a much higher dollar amount. But something like this, smaller amounts, I think it was like $12 or so plus shipping. That's like 1 sale to me. And then the rest is all gravy. So little tip there. If you're new to postcard, new to the postcard business. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to go. But if you got anything out of this video, and I hope you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.